Over the past 2 years, I've been working in advancing the open government and innovation agenda at the Department of Labor. I've used my set of skills from providing perspective on case management systems to cloud email to web services and open data and challenges and prices to challenge.gov and business process improvement to customer service and helping to lead a response to the President's executive order on improving customer service and streamlining service delivery. So I've had a broad reach across many, many areas. That's what I've been doing over the past 2 years. Moving forward, I will continue to capitalize on those projects, but I also want to help extend our reach into the developer network outside of the federal spectrum and help build powerful and successful productive relationships with developers outside of the Department of Labor to help reach our goals while using our data, while using our subject matter expertise, but also tapping into their genius, right? Into the way that they view innovation, into the way that they see how we could use non-traditional technologies to meet our mission, therefore help workers. That's something that I'm working on today and hopefully for the next couple of years. Government innovation means addressing a mission or a specific goal that we're trying to accomplish in a non-traditional way. Getting away from just seeing it from a programmatic standpoint or from a heavily technical standpoint and collaborating with the public and with subject matter experts outside of the federal spectrum to reach a new strategy in order to meet that goal. I know it sounds convoluted of sorts or it might sound slightly bloated, but I mean, that's really how I see it. I see it as we need to think differently, we need to be more effective, we need to do it cheaper, we need to do it faster, and we need to leverage the tools and the know-how from individuals that don't belong to the federal sector that might know a whole lot about how to address these specific issues that we might know. We can't continue to address these challenges thinking that we are the only problem solvers in the world and the only folks that can answer these questions or meet these challenges. That's just impossible. We've worked on an array of innovative projects over the past couple of years. I specifically have led the customer service modernization project at the Department of Labor to improve customer service and streamline service delivery across our millions of customers. We receive over 2.5 telephone calls a year through our National Contact Center and 250,000 emails alone through that contact center as well. That's not including other phone calls that are not tracked to our contact center or emails that are not tracked to them as well that go to specific agencies, that be it a district office or through our regional headquarters. So how do we make sure that we provide the same answer to the same question no matter how the customer contacts us? So we need to be agnostic in the way that we treat customer service. So no matter if you use email or telephone or snail mail, whatever vehicle you use, we need to provide you with an effective and professional and efficient answer, and it has to be the same. If I contact a district office in Kansas or I contact headquarters in Washington, D.C., we need to provide you the same answer to the same question, and it needs to be effective, and it needs to be transparent, and it needs to be professional and efficient. Otherwise, we're not meeting the bar. So that's one. Second, we focus on liberating our data. We sit on mountains of data, OSHA data, wage and hour data, MSHA data, employment and training data, veteran employment data. So we've made sure that we built the right tools and we provide the right platform for developers outside of the department to utilize that data and to capitalize on it. We're not restricting what you use it for. That's your choice. This data is part of the public domain. But by doing that, we're able to broaden the reach of our missions, right? And to indirectly meet certain goals that we've set for ourselves. So that's something that I'm very proud of. You know, I'm providing the right APIs and the right software development kits and the right sample code, be it if you use an iPhone or a BlackBerry or a Windows phone or an Android-based phone. You know, we provide those tools for the individuals. And promoting innovation within each of our agencies by launching data challenges to challenge.gov, focused around equal pay, disability employment, workplace safety, and enforcement and occupational employment statistics. So we've, around those challenges, those public challenges, and through certain incentives, we've been able to help spread the word and help connect our data, which at times is seen as boring, dull, stuffy data, to connecting it to a more streamlined data that the public tends to use on a day-to-day basis, and therefore making it easier to digest, easier to connect to, and friendlier to understand. Innovation advice that I have for others in government is to talk and collaborate with individuals outside of your department. It is critical that you talk to other leaders in government about what they're doing, learn from others, you know, set up communities of practice, tap into your human capital within your organization, find out, you know, who's eager to innovate, what they bring to the table, set up that platform, like I said, through that community of practice, and then expand upon it and invite other leaders or other individuals outside of your department or your agency. Invite them over, talk to them, ask them what thoughts they have, perspective on what you're trying to accomplish, offer perspective on what they're trying to accomplish. Learn from everyone. The last thing you want is groupthink. And in order to eradicate groupthink is just to reach out to a very friendly and eager federal community, you know, tens of departments and hundreds of agencies that we have, and listen to them and talk to them and learn from them. It's cheap, it's effective, it's efficient, and it will revolutionize the way that you think and that you try to accomplish things.